Cardano ADA is about $1.20, but by the end of this year, it is very possible. Some people are saying Cardano is going to hit $50 per coin. I think that is very possible, but conservatively, I think it'll be easy for us to hit $20 to $25. I have some very bullish news on Cardano, so stay tuned into the end of the video because I have something very important to share with you. Guys, do me a favor and smash that like button if you want to see Cardano absolutely go to the moon this weekend, because I believe we are headed there for sure. What's up, guys? My name is Miles. I recently started this channel. I have 3 channels on YouTube, but this channel I'm primarily going to focus on Cardano, Bitcoin, and Ethereum. But if you guys want to make a lot of money in cryptocurrency, I am an expert in technical analysis, and I cover fundamental analysis in each and every video. So if you guys want to make a lot of money in cryptocurrency, make sure you guys go ahead and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you do not miss a time-sensitive video. Also, if you want to join my Discord, I have over 600 active members where we talk about stocks and cryptocurrencies. I put out trade alerts for stocks and cryptocurrencies using my market cipher trading software, which enables me to see big dumps or big pumps before they happen. So if you guys want to make a lot of money, go ahead and check that out as well, and the link's in the description. Also, consider joining the Discord. We have over 600 active members where we talk about stocks and cryptos. I put out trade alerts for stocks and cryptos as well using my market cipher, which is a software. It's very expensive, but it enables me to see big dumps and pumps before they happen. So you guys can do that through the Patreon and the link in the description below. So guys, I came across this article and it is very bullish for Cardano. And what it is saying is that these smart contracts are coming to Cardano this spring. Just like Ethereum, which is a smart contracts platform and a cryptocurrency network, Cardano is going to be just like Ethereum. However, Cardano is poised to overtake Ethereum to be the ETH killer that a lot of people are saying. But we are believing that Cardano is going to outperform Ethereum and potentially Bitcoin even this year, performance-wise. So, unlike Ethereum, which is already a well-established smart contracts platform, Cardano is just going to be that, but it is potentially going to be better. It is faster, it is cheaper, and these NFTs are going to be able to be built upon it as well with the smart contracts platform that we are going to be potentially seeing in April. So this signals for us a great buying opportunity to buy Cardano at the dip, and I think that we can see $2 to $3 next month in April. With all of this news, it's going to bring a lot of excitement into the investment space of Cardano, and we're going to see a lot more volume being traded with Cardano, especially as Cardano has been added into Coinbase and Coinbase Pro. But let's go ahead and talk a little bit about this update that is going to be happening this spring and talk about what it's going to do to Cardano. So it says smart contracts are coming to Cardano this spring. The Alonzo testnet, which is I'm now speaking of, will finally allow developers to deploy their own decentralized applications or dApps on the Cardano blockchain. In brief, Cardano developers plan to launch a smart contracts focused testnet as soon as the end of April. Ultimately, the Alonzo hard fork will allow users to deploy decentralized applications or dApps on Cardano. So what they're doing is they're adding the testnet first, and then they're going to be doing the hard fork, which will allow the full utilization of these dApps to be built upon the smart contracts platform. HOSKINSON says that he claims that this is going to be happening, this is the testnet, April or early May. Says for the first time ever publicly, people will be able to write smart contracts and deploy them on Cardano. It also goes on to say the addition of smart contracts marks a major milestone for Cardano since it will finally make the blockchain a viable competition to Ethereum. And what is very interesting to note during this whole time frame is that Ethereum is going to be doing an update, the EIP 1559, and that is going to be allowing the transactions and the gas fees of Ethereum to be a lot cheaper. And also, they're going to start becoming deflationary, where each and every token of Ethereum is going to be burned with transactions and through the mining process. So there's going to be a conversion from proof of work to proof of stake, which means a lot. But basically, Ethereum is not going to become an unlimited market cap. It's going to become a limited supply. It's going to have a limited and capped supply like Bitcoin has a limited and capped supply. That's going to make Ethereum more rare, and that's what's going to cause Ethereum to absolutely rocket. But Ethereum has a great competitor, and they're going to be having this very soon. Once these dApps are starting to get built upon the Cardano blockchain network, and people are starting to realize that Cardano is so much more cheaper to use, to utilize, and to build these platforms on, they are going to probably start converting to Cardano, at least in the relative short term, until Ethereum can get their act together. But it's going to take years for Ethereum to get to where it needs to be, fully optimizing Ethereum 2.0 by 2023. So it is very possible that Cardano could take the second place in the relative short term. Yes, this year it is very possible for Cardano to take the second place of the crypto market cap, becoming the second largest and greatest crypto network in the world. Currently, they are number 5, but let's go ahead and do some technical analysis. Let's look at the price action of Cardano, and let's see where we are headed, also using the market cipher software that I mentioned in the beginning of the video. So Cardano has absolutely killed it. Cardano is pumping nearly 10 cents, and we bottomed out. Look, we bottomed out around $1.03. We are hitting higher lows every single time, but I'm gonna go ahead and pull this out on a day chart so we can see what is going on with Cardano. Since we hit all-time highs of nearly $1.50, we came down again and then we came up to test it. But guys, we did not hit that same exact number. We got pretty much very close to it. And as you see, the first high was higher, which is okay. But generally, a double top is the second attempt to break past that level of resistance, which can be a very bearish situation, at least for the immediate short term, which we saw a major sell-off, and then we came all the way down, but then we reversed. We are reversing at this level, and looking at the daily chart, we are seeing this massive green candle, which signifies a whole day of green, which is a very strong, solid green candle. And if we zoom us out to the 2-hour chart, what we are seeing is a very strong reversal play out. These indicators are letting me know that we are still very bullish for Cardano, but I think we are going to come down just a little bit. We are at $1.19 right now. I think we're going to come down a little bit, and then after we see another dip, which I will be calling out in my Discord, I will signal for us a buying opportunity, but Market Cipher is going to signal for us the buying opportunity. And the buying opportunity could be pretty logical to see around $1.15, $1.20. But the buying opportunity, I believe that we would come down to the next level of support, which should be $1.15. I think $1.15, which is our level of resistance here, can also become for us a level of support, a key level of support at $1.15. So if we were to come down to $1.15 with some confirmation of some bullishness, I would use that as a buy to enter into a long position, or just to enter in for a buy, a purchase, a trade for a longer term hold. But one thing to notice and to take a look at is you can see this pattern and this movement here. But the second time, we didn't come all the way down to those levels. No, we didn't break down past $1, which we saw here. We didn't break down multiple times. We came down once strong, and then we reversed. And I think that is a very bullish sentiment, because we are having a higher low. And a higher low and higher high signals for us a bullish pattern, which I now believe that we are now trending in. So I think it is very possible for us within the next couple of days, especially as Bitcoin and Ethereum begin to pump with these futures contracts expiring, and they already expired. We are seeing these cryptocurrencies pump, as I called out in some of my other videos. But I think that Cardano could possibly hit $1.30, $1.40, and possibly test all-time highs just within the next couple of days, based on how the stock market has been down and a lot of cryptos have been down, but Cardano has been holding up strongly. Is very bullish, and I think we are absolutely headed to the moon. So if you guys liked today's video, please hit that like button, subscribe, and share this with some of your friends and family who may be interested in Cardano. And I will see you guys in the next video.